Hi, Dr. Ziggy here, and behind the camera, Matt, my brand
Hey.
manager. Beautiful. So we're back with more meme reviews, AI-generated meme reviews. I like this series that we're running because humour and AI haven't had a good relationship. Like, it seems as though humour is the last frontier, the final frontier that AI hasn't conquered yet. So it's interesting for me to see the progression of AI in this field. Is AI starting to finally grasp humour? So new models have come out since we last did our video on AI-generated memes. We've got ChatGPT 4.0, Gemini 2.5, and stable Diffusion. I think they're up to version 3.5 now. So I've asked Matt to generate some memes from these three models, and I'm going to react to them because the last video that we did on this, it failed quite miserably. I mean, it was pretty bad. So let's get started. ChatGPT 4.0 first?
4.0 first, for sure.
Let's go. The prompt: can you generate me a meme on the topic of AI? Love it. Let's have a look. I have no idea what I'm doing. AI. And he's got the colors of Google as well, which is pretty funny.
Didn't even notice that.
Pretty funny. Yeah, that's pretty good, isn't it? That's pretty good. It's not really using an AI known template. So it's just generated a random image. I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, we just talked about that, right?
There's a meme that I really like, which used to have like a golden retriever or something wearing glasses, just sitting there going like, I have no idea what I'm doing, with like a book open or a laptop open or something.
All right, okay.
I used to think that was hilarious. I wonder if this is referencing
Oh, totally.
that at all.
Yeah, it would be. It would be referencing that. So it's working on data that it's seen before in the domain of memes, and it's trying to create something new. Yeah, okay, with that reference, it kind of makes sense, and it's a little bit funny, but yeah, I didn't die laughing, so... But it's not bad. It's better than what we saw in the previous video, right?
And especially with it just being a prompt of make me a meme.
Yeah. And the text is readable. Last time we had text that was just garbage, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's pretty good. ChatGPT explains. What's this? You got ChatGPT.
I asked it to tell me its thinking process behind generating the meme.
Oh, okay. ChatGPT explains. Visual style. I chose the same flat cartoon style you've been using across your Dr. Ziggy and Zbigatron content. Right, there you go. So it's creating stuff inside a context. And we've been using this kind of imagery for our thumbnails, which is not what we wanted. Memes are not meant to operate in this kind of thing. Like, I want something funny, I want something snappy, not something that I've seen before or in the context that I've seen before. That's a fail by AI. Meme content. The central concept is a futuristic AI robot giving a TED talk to a room full of confused, sweating humans. That's pretty funny. It's not giving a TED talk because it's sitting next to a table. It's thinking rather than presenting. So that's a fail as well. Why a TED Talk? AI discourse often comes from academic or tech circles, which can be a bit over the top or utopian. It's a humorous nod to how serious AI takes itself and how much it confuses the general public. A humorous nod. Nah, I don't think that's really funny. Again, humor, AI, disconnect. Next. Okay, you gave it more prompt. Okay. I like where you are going, but the image you have given me is different from the scenario you are describing. There you go. You're absolutely right. Of course, ChatGPT is sycophantic. Thanks for pointing that out. Let me clarify what I actually gave you. The image shows an AI robot at a podium, seemingly delivering. It's not at a podium, it is at a table. While humans in the audience are laughing, clapping, or looking. That's it. Yeah. Fail. Yeah, nah, AI is not taking over our jobs anytime soon. At least not most of the jobs that people are saying. Yeah, I'm going to skip the rest yet. It's lost it. So far, not good. Okay, next.
I asked it to develop me a different meme.
Okay,
so again, I didn't give it any prompt. I just said, okay, show me something else. Just something different from what we've already seen.
Okay, let's have a look. Okay, robot, blackboard, mathematical equations, and someone crying over spilt milk. Based on your patterns, I have deduced that your existential crisis is due to suboptimal calcium intake. Okay, that should be suboptimal calcium. Okay, that's not even funny. It's failed. Right, it's failed. It's not even funny. It's interesting that AI still can't really grasp humour, right? You can't do it.
Let's see what happens when it explains the joke.
Okay, all right, let's have a look. Why this meme works? Well, it doesn't, but let's have a look. It pokes fun at how AI, no matter how advanced, can still completely miss the emotional nuance of human experience. It's a humorous take on the idea that AI can understand us, but still offer hilariously out-of-touch conclusions. Okay, yeah, that's pretty interesting, isn't it?
Once it explains that, it's actually kind of funny.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. Now, memes don't need to be explained, right? So that's a fail.
Definitely.
That's a fail. But the fact that it's kind of explaining why it's failed in this way, as though it's not a fail, that's really good. That's really good. I'm going to give it that. All right, next. Okay, now do me something completely different with a different art style, different context, everything. So let's have a look. Yeah, it's just a generic. This is not even a meme. Fail, man. Fail miserably. Miserably. Yeah. Explain this one. A human character sitting at a desk, wide-eyed, surrounded by papers and coffee mugs. No, it's not. It's shaving. The tone is triumphant. No, it's not. It's oops. Right next to them is a humanoid AI. No, it's fail, right? Yeah, this stuff is so overhyped. It's good, as I keep saying, but it's so overhyped, man. This is miserable. I was expecting better. This is like disjointed, disconnected. It's a mess. Wow. Okay, I was not expecting it to be this bad. All right, moving on. Gemini 2.5 Pro, probably the best model out there at the moment. So I'm expecting a little bit better. Let's have a look. Can you generate me a meme on the topic of AI? I'm very interested to see what it comes up with. Oh wow, look at this. Okay, AI. Let's have a look. Human application, human job applications, cat videos to analyze, monocle, okay. Unemployed human. So there's a speech bubble and a thinking bubble, okay? And there's a thinking bubble coming out of the AI. I love the AI.
Yeah, I love that. It's crazy.
I used to do that job, but AI needs to analyze the cat videos. Yeah, fail, man. And then, there's a subtext. AI revolutionizing the work police, one cat video at a time. Okay, so it's captured the fact, once again, so we're stuck still, because in the other meme review video that we did for AI generated memes, I said it's kind of getting the humor, but it's not being able to go out and do anything that's funny or that makes sense. Once again, right, cat videos, we love cat videos on the internet, so it's grasped that. It's grasped that if he wants to be funny, go for cat videos, that's sure hit. But nonsensical, right? And spelling mistakes. I was expecting better from Gemini.
I'm still pretty impressed with this, but I mean, it's not.
I'm not. And let me tell you why I'm not. It fails the Turing test. We're talking about AGI at the moment. People are like, we're so close, just around the corner. This fails the Turing test. If I were to ask you, was this AI generated or human generated? 100% AI. Right? So Turing test fail. Right. So I'm not impressed at all. All right. Yeah. Next one. Can you explain the decision-making process generating this image?
There you go.
Is that what it?
Yeah, that's what it came out with.
That's so funny, right? Yeah. Wow, it's lost the plot. Even Gemini's failing. Like that doesn't. I mean, that's funny. That's funny. But it's like I wanted you to explain it to me, not a WTF. That's really funny though. The quality of the image as well is excellent quality. But yeah, no. Okay, more memes from Gemini. Can you create me a new meme based on any topic you like and in any art style you like? Interesting. Second meme with cats. Google knows cats are a hit. So what have we got? We've got a cat sitting in front of a laptop. The light is coming from nowhere. It's like
it seems to be coming from the cat.
I love the image. My brain cells trying to understand the latest patch notes. Yeah, look, it's nearly there. To a computer scientist, that kind of makes sense because when you read patch notes and security releases, sometimes it's obscure and difficult to understand. So it's like, yeah, but there's still a disconnect, right? That's where he's aiming for the text and the funny topic, and the image doesn't match, right? Doesn't match. Fascinating that humour is still not being grasped by artificial intelligence. Amazing, amazing. All right, Stable Diffusion 3.5. Here we go. This is the open source one. Can you generate me a meme on the topic of AI? The just Hong Grudmark 400 Lama Agent. Yeah, fail. Massive. That's a huge failure.
The image might be beautiful, but this is a lot like that first one that we did where we got the AI to generate some memes.
So maybe open source has caught up to what the proprietary models were like 3 months ago or 4 months ago, right? So open source seems as though open source is still lagging behind the proprietary models. Yeah, this is terrible. This is terrible. It's a loss for open source, that's for sure. Okay, next one. Wow. Yeah, no, I mean, that doesn't even matter. That's nonsensical, right? That's nonsensical. Wow, yeah. It's funny that it's decided to choose America as its laughing point, but no, that's terrible. Yeah, wow. What a loss. Oh, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. Beautiful. Yeah, that was good. Yeah, once again, AI fails. Frontier has not been conquered by artificial intelligence, so I can't wait for like 3 months down the track to see how we progress. Yeah, that was good.
It just goes to show, like we've been talking about the whole time we've been doing this channel. Look, AI is fantastic, but it's a tool.
Yeah,
you got to have somebody skilled to work the tool, to use the tool, to know how to.
Humans and AI collaborating, we're gonna achieve a lot. Yeah, great. That was really fun. I enjoyed that. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.